One of the great advantages when you work with an agency that does this all the time, we're deep into the trends of who's doing what and what works and what doesn't work, what's effective, what's a good use of dollars. We end up being a great partner to work with interior design teams alongside architects to serve as a resource and add a different perspective. Whenever you're doing a construction project, you've got your normal trades. You got electricians, you got plumbers, you've got your miscellaneous metals guy. But when you're creating experiential, there's always this group of items that general contractors will look at us and be like, well, who's going to do this? So if we're able to get involved early as part of the design process, we're able to advise on, hey, you need power runs here, and we'll figure out where the blocking needs to go, what the home runs need to be, what the power requirements are, where the media cabinet's going to live, what the CMS system's going to look like. We bring a really full and unique toolbox to every project that we become involved in.